In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean pasted text and remove local overrides in InCopy. If you've ever copied text from an email, a website, or another document and dropped it into your InCopy file, you've probably seen strange fonts, colors, or spacing sneak in. Those bits of styling can make your layout inconsistent and harder to manage. Today, you'll learn how to paste text cleanly so it matches your document styles, and how to remove any local overrides that slip through, so everything stays tidy and predictable. Start by launching Adobe InCopy and opening the document you're working on. Give the file a moment to load so your styles and layout fully initialize. It helps to know which paragraph and character styles your project uses, because the goal is to make your pasted text inherit those existing rules rather than bringing in its own. Switch to Layout View so you can see exactly how your text sits within the design. Layout View shows type with real formatting, column widths, and line breaks, which makes it the best place to judge whether pasted content looks correct. If you've been drafting in Story or Galley View, transitioning to Layout View before you paste will help you catch issues immediately. Place your text cursor where the phrase or sentence needs to go, then right-click at that spot. From the context menu, choose Paste without formatting. This command strips out source styling, things like fonts, sizes, colors, hyperlinks, and unwanted spacing, so the new text adopts the paragraph and character styles already applied in that location. If you paste this way by default, you'll avoid most formatting problems. There's also a handy shortcut for pasting without formatting that removes source styling immediately. Check the Edit menu in your version of InCopy to see the exact keys for your system. If you're looking at text that still appears off, maybe it's bold when it shouldn't be, or the tracking looks different, you're likely seeing local overrides. These are manual tweaks layered on top of your assigned styles. To clear them, select the specific word, phrase, or entire range that looks wrong. Be intentional with the selection so you only affect the text you want to fix. Right-click the selection and choose Clear All Overrides. This resets the selected text to the underlying paragraph and character styles without reassigning styles or changing the layout structure. It's a reliable way to bring everything back to your style definitions and keep formatting consistent across the document. That's it. Paste clean to prevent problems, and clear overrides to correct any that remain. With these two habits, your InCopy files stay uniform, readable, and easy to maintain.